Forno Appliances introduces you to the Torino 30-inch induction electric range. The elegant stainless steel finish maintains a modern look and ensures lasting durability. Durable and easy to maintain, the anti-rust 430 grade stainless steel is fingerprint, grease, and wear resistant from everyday use. Fast heating induction technology delivers instant, precise temperature control across all zones for faster boiling and responsive simmering. The 4 induction burners ranges from 1,500 to 3,700 watts of cooking power. 6 stainless steel knobs with bezel ring will last and look great for the life of the range. Stay on top of timing with an integrated digital clock and clearly labeled touch controls for a smooth cooking experience. A spacious 4.32 cubic feet oven with 2 oven adjustable racks. Dual element broiler combines inner and outer heating elements for full, even coverage when broiling steaks, melting cheese, or finishing casseroles. Powerful 3,500 watt oven output ensures quick preheating and consistent cooking performance, even with large or dense meals. Hiding below the oven floor is the hidden bake element. Helps keeps food bits from burning onto the element, making oven upkeep an easy task. The air sous vide mode delivers gentle, accurate low temperature cooking using circulating air to lock in moisture and flavor. Ideal for meats, fish, and vegetables. Built-in True Convection fan evenly circulates hot air throughout the oven, ensuring even cooking on all racks. The included air fryer basket lets you enjoy golden fries, wings, and vegetables with less oil and no need for a separate appliance. 2 bright halogen oven lights. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, lowering the cost of living.